Oh, dang!
It looks so big. What are you doing, Marco?
I love it.
All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm here, my brother's garage. We got the 5th gen. We got his new 3rd gen Tacoma. And we just got something awesome in the mail. I'll show you guys. And here is what came in the mail. Guesses what it is? Let's block out his name tag. Show you where it's from. 25 pounds. What could it be, Marcos? What could it be?
Could it be another corgi?
Is it another corgi? Corgi? So, it's my brother's 3rd gen. Here's his rooftop tent that has a ball of his dog's hair somehow and a coat hanger. Oh, we use that to run wires through my firewall for the Baja Squadron lights. And here we are, ready to unbox this.
What?
Are you ready to unbox this?
Yeah.
Nice.
Leatherman tool, highly recommended. Based out of Portland, Oregon.
Are they really? Here, put it on the side and.
Nope.
Here.
This boy is really grippy.
Yep. Okay. Can you guys guess what it is yet? I'll be honest. If I was looking at this, I probably wouldn't know what it is. But
Mailer Russian order ride.
nope. I'll just let you guys know. It's a rack for my brother's truck, so he can mount his tent. Who'd you get it from?
Cali Raised.
Cali Raised.
We had a Black Friday special, so got it for $480, I believe. So it's on the cheaper side of things, and I mean, I really only need it for mounting the tent, so I didn't really go with the Molly packs and the Roto pack mounts, so they'll get the job done.
All right, so we got a Cali Raised bed rack that we got to put on. I don't know how to install these, but we'll figure it out along the way. All right, we're 20 minutes into this install, and all we've managed to do is take off the wrapping of it. How long have we been at it?
Like 5 minutes, if that. 20 minutes.
I feel like it's been a long time. It's been a good 10 minutes.
We're recording doing this.
Well, it's because it was, you know, five minutes. So you've been on that end piece for 5 minutes alone.
No, this knife is dull, and I don't want to scratch it up more than I already have.
Fair enough. No pressure. And then here are the Molly packs, or Molly packs. I don't exactly know how you pronounce it. That are going to go on this side. Or, yeah, the bed rack's going to go one here, and the Molly pack's going to go on the side. We started at 6:09. What time is it? 6:09, and it's 6:24.
Look, it's out. 5 minutes.
So it's been 15 minutes, Marcos. And all we've done is manage to unwrap the stuff.
Alright, so there's your...
Dude, it looks good.
Alright,
Looks super good.
let's see if there's some instructions or... Guess not.
My guess is that there's no instructions. I think it's going to be pretty straightforward. We're just going to... The Tacomas have these bed rails. So I believe we're just going to attach these to the bed rail. And then that's pretty much it. So I stopped recording because we needed 2 hands to put this up. So we put the Molly on to give us our distance. And then since you have these bed rails, it's literally a screw there, and then we tighten these four, and then that's his rack. He's putting the molly over here so we can put these on the rails and tighten these suckers down. So install is pretty quick. I'm just getting these bolts hand tightened. Now we're gonna get the Allen key. Tighten the Allen key. Yeah, I said. Do you have one or? I think it's that big one.
No, it's not.
Does it? Oh, of course. I put it in my pocket. So we just gotta tighten these bad boys down.
I'm gonna start tightening the molly packs.
And then should be ready to put the rooftop tent on. We have to take a much needed break because the wives brought Chipotle. Heck yeah. And Marco's got a salad. So here you can see it's like a bracket, and you just thread on this to the bed rail. That's what holds the bars in. And then the molly's on the side just has 4 bolts, and that's the rack. We're gonna try to throw that rooftop tent up there real quick, just see what it looks like. But this is a pretty sweet rack for $400 off a Cali Race. Yeah, it's simple. It doesn't look as fancy as the other ones, but it has a sleek design, and I love it. If I had one, I would get one of these, but I need to find a rack for that, and those racks are expensive.
Nothing's coming over though.
So we decided to try to put this rooftop tent in. Turns out these bolts weren't long enough to go around the bar, so we had to go get some M8 1.25 that were 65 mil instead of 45 mil like the original ones. And we went to Lowe's, they didn't have them. Started driving home, decided to stop by Walmart, and they didn't have it either. And then by that time, we'd already wasted like 30 minutes, so we decided, forget it, dude, let's just jump on the freeway and drive down to Home Depot. Home Depot just happened to have just the right amount. So now we're finally installing the tent. And Marcos is happy with it. So we just finished tightening up all the bolts under. Now we got the tent set up on a Tuesday. They got a half rack or a full rack, but check that out, my guys. Cali Rays knocked it out of the park with these bars. They actually look perfect. Not too much, not too little, affordable. Look at that, he's in his tent already. So this will be the reveal to the girls of the tent. Here come the wives. Let's see what they have to say.
Ooh. Oh, dang.
It looks so big. What are you doing, Marco?
I love it.
Wow. You guys ready to go up there?
Marcos did.
How's the view?
This is cool. It's dark.
You need to add some lights.
I need to wipe this.
Marcos, get in there.
You can take this mat out, and this fabric, it's a zipper, and you could wash this fabric or put a different one on.
I need to get some lights.
You already got copper hair?
My leggings.
Oh,
Turn
look
on
at
your
that.
camera light.
I don't know if you can. Let me try. You guys ready? Let's go fight a cougar.
Let's go find it.
For it being like used, it's pretty clean.
Is it spacious?
Yeah.
I think it's like your guys'.
Oh, there you go.
All right, guys. Well, that'll be it for the vlog. It was just an afternoon. Got everything installed, the tent up. I know Marcos was planning to take off the tent, but I think he's just gonna keep it on just because of everything we did to get that thing up there.
It's gold.
I'm gonna have to put my rooftop tent back on that so we can have a camping trip hopefully coming up soon. We'll probably do something in the snow. I don't know what Denise is gonna want. What do you think? Next camping trip it'll be in the snow?
Yeah, if you guys want.
I need a better sleeping bag.
All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.